Anything media.
I request the Minister of Education.
Honourable Member.
And the House. So, Right Honourable Speaker, my players, I request the Minister of Education and the Public Service
The Duty City School. The school has been, the school was open. Right Honourable Prime Minister.
School. Right Honourable Speaker, the school was opened in January 2022. Ever since it was opened, the Ministry of Education with the Ministry of Public Service have never employed any single teacher apart from the head teacher and the deputy. Right Honourable Speaker, the situation forced the head teacher to get volunteers to undertake the teaching.
Colleagues, maiden speech. Maiden speech, colleagues. Yes, the member is protected. Please, Honourable Member, please go on.
Right Honourable Speaker, the school was constructed at cost of over 2 billion. But Right Honourable Speaker, that the school has no teachers. So, Right Honourable Speaker, my players, I request the Minister of Education and the Public Service